Are you guys ready for a tour around our house? Okay guys, we're gonna start downstairs. If you guys watched our video, Kick the Ball to Save Our Animal Challenge, you probably have seen our backyard. That's our hot tub. But it's 9 o'clock here. So this is our kitchen, guys. As you guys can see, our house is not too big or too small. Our kitchen is like just right. And as you guys see, right here is the living room, our big TV. The door to go outside. Very cool. Now, here's the hallway. Here goes to the garage. And then here's just a closet. Here's the basement. I can't show you guys it because my dad is downstairs doing work. Here is our bathroom. Here's the hallway. Here's another mirror. And now, as you guys see, this is the office. Me and Dylan do homework in here. That's my Chromebook. Me and Dylan do homework in here and stuff. And tomorrow is my friend's birthday. And then here's the hallway to outside. Steps. And the downstairs is still not done. Here is the other living room with a couch, with that thing, and with my piano and Dylan's guitar. If you guys watched my channel for a very long time, you guys would know that I play the piano, the table, the kitchen. And here are all of my great-grandmother's plates and things. You can even turn on the light where I forgot where the button is. Very cool. Now it's time for upstairs. And then here's the hallway to the playroom where we make our Sophie World videos. Hey, Dylan.
Hello.
Here's where we watch YouTube and play video games, make our Emily and Dylan PLAYZ videos. Sometimes. Here is Sophie's house. Hey, Sophie, do you want to say something?
Yeah. Hello. Don't forget to subscribe to Sophie's World.
If you guys go to the YouTube channels I subscribe to, and if you guys go to Sophie's World, if you guys go there, you guys will see Sophie's World. Okay. Parents' room where Rocky always stays. Rocky, say hi.
Hello.
Then here the bathroom. It's a big one. And here is where we make our Lego World videos. Same thing. If you guys go to the things I subscribe to, and if you guys go to Lego World and then go to Lego World. Same with Emily Dylan PLAYZ. Look how much Legos. Giant pile of Legos over there. And then that's just my dad's closet. Rocky, hey!
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you guys can never miss another video.
Good job, Rocky. That's what we're supposed to do. Guys, me and Dylan are trying to get to 100 subscribers until coronavirus ends. So, more than 100 subscribers. So, help us get that dream come true. More than 100 subscribers at the end of quarantine. Until the end of quarantine. Here's just where Rocky poops and stuff. And here's where we do clothes. Are you guys ready? This is me and Dylan's bathroom. Not ready for that. Ready for something else. Like me and Dylan's room. Okay, bathroom. Me and Dylan's bathroom. Now, are you guys ready for Dylan's room? Me and Dylan sleep in the same room as a bunk bed. But later when I be older, I'll sleep in my room. You guys will see it. Hey, Rock, are you following me?
Yes, I just want to be in the video.
Okay. This is the bunk bed. And this is, Dylan made a giant hole in the room. That's why we have that in the roof. Only Batman. No. The hallway again to my room. This is the present. If you guys are gonna watch my videos tomorrow, you guys won't believe I'm going to my friend's house. And today we're making a flower. Rocky, are you looking at our neighbors again and barking?
Yes.
So these are the presents I'm giving to Olivia, my friend. And here, me and Dylan are saving pennies in both of these. Rocky, can you please stop? Okay. I'm just gonna close this blind. Here's my bed. Evie, Pika. I don't really sleep in it. Hey, what you doing? And I have a giant closet with all my stuff. Oh, my Majest trophies. As you guys can see, over there are my Majest trophies and me and Dylan's drone that broke. It broke. We only had it for like 3 days and it broke. Go check out the video of me and Dylan opening our drone. And this was our house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can never miss another video. I hope you enjoyed our house tour. Our house is not like FGTV Duddy's house or Preston PLAYZ house. It's not like super big. It's not too small and not too big. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys can never miss another video. Bye.